Have you ever wondered what the key skills every graduate engineer needs to land their first job? Today, we're diving into the essential skills that can give you a head start in your engineering career. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of up-to-date technical knowledge. In the ever-evolving field of engineering, it's crucial to keep your knowledge base current. From the latest software to the newest industrial practices, staying informed is a non-negotiable aspect of being an engineer. It's not just about what you learned in school, it's about continuous learning and adapting to the innovative world of engineering. Now let's shift gears to the significance of accuracy and attention to detail. An engineer's work is often intricate and complex. A slight miscalculation or overlooked detail can lead to substantial consequences, sometimes even catastrophic failures. Therefore, a keen eye for detail and a commitment to precision are vital. They help ensure the safety and success of your engineering projects. Finally, let's consider the physical demands of certain engineering careers. Whether it's long hours at the drafting table, laboring on a construction site, or conducting fieldwork in challenging environments, engineering can be physically demanding. It's crucial to maintain good physical health, not merely for the sake of your career, but also for your overall well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest are all part of a healthy lifestyle that supports your work. Remember, up-to-date technical knowledge, accuracy, and good physical health are not just optional extras. They're essential parts of being an engineer. So, equip yourself with these skills and get ready to kickstart your engineering career. Stay tuned for more insights in our next segment. But that's not all. There's more to being a successful engineer than just being technically proficient. Yes, technical knowledge is the bedrock of engineering, but it's not the only skill that matters. Effective communication, for instance, is crucial. As an engineer, you'll be collaborating with other professionals, and you'll need to be able to explain complex technical concepts in a way that non-technical stakeholders can understand. So, honing your communication skills is just as important as mastering your technical skills. Leadership and interpersonal skills are also key. Remember, you're not just an engineer, you're a part of a team, and that means you need to be able to work well with others. You need to be capable of leading when necessary and of following when it's for the best. The ability to navigate these dynamics can make all the difference in your success. And let's not forget about creativity and innovation. Engineering is not just about following formulas and equations, it's also about finding new and better ways to solve problems. So, don't shy away from thinking outside of the box. Embrace innovation and creativity as essential parts of your engineering toolkit. Resilience and enthusiasm, too, are vital. Engineering can be a challenging field with complex problems to solve and tight deadlines to meet. There will be setbacks and challenges, but the ability to bounce back and keep going to maintain your enthusiasm in the face of adversity can set you apart. In conclusion, a successful engineer needs a mix of technical knowledge, communication skills, creativity, resilience, and enthusiasm. Remember, these skills are not just for landing your first job, but for a successful and fulfilling engineering career. And remember, while all these skills are important, knowing the right people never hurts either. Now, let's lighten up the atmosphere a bit with a little engineering humor. You've heard the saying, it's not just what you know, but who you know, right? Well, in the engineering world we like to add a little twist to that. We say it's not just what you know, but who you know. And if you know the boss, that's a bonus. But kidding aside, networking is a valuable skill in any field, even in engineering. So don't forget to build relationships, be it with your colleagues, mentors, or bosses. Who knows, that colleague today might be your boss tomorrow. Or that boss might be the one recommending you for a promotion. So keep honing your skills, and don't forget to add a dash of humor to your journey as an engineer. After all, a good laugh can be a great stress reliever in a challenging field like ours.